This is the Max9. It's the 9th one in the Max series from SENBONO. It's a beautiful watch. Information, do not disturb, which can be scheduled as well as on instantaneously. A way that you can change the layout of your app drawer from listing to rotating circular to the honeycomb style. You also have your overall brightness control in here and general settings, where you find out it's called the L1 for tethering and the QR code for downloading the Tethering app. The menu we just saw, themes are the different watch faces it has, and it's got some beautiful ones on here. Languages app, your Tethering app. You can do receipt code if you're in China for making payments, brightness again, find your phone, and so forth. You have ability to factory restore, reboot, or shut down. All that's in settings. Swiping up now, you get into notifications sent from your phone, and you have access to your daily step count. Your current heart rate instantly goes in and gives you a reading, but in the background, it's doing continuous 24-hour heart rate, and it shows you that on the watch. You can also get your latest blood pressure reading, and it'll immediately start taking your next reading, and it'll show you the last 7 readings and your average. Same thing for blood oxygen. Come here, it'll immediately start up the blood oxygen reading, show you your last readings and your average. Pretty sweet. Last night's sleep time, total, deep, light, and sure enough, you even get the compressed chart that you'll see on the app after you tether it over there, and a look at your last 7 days overall sleeping. One more thing, you got the music player when you're tethered, remotely start, stop, and move ahead or back on your songs. In addition to all of this, press it once and you get the app drawer where you see everything you just saw, and a few more goodies like all of your different sporting activities. No GPS in the watch, but you do have access to a lot of different activities that you can work with. You got a built-in stopwatch, and check it out, it's still running. It runs in the background and will include hours. So if you want to watch with a long stopwatch for whatever you're doing, this could be the one, especially at the low price point. You got weather, music, the remote camera, and we already saw settings. This thing is a very lightweight watch. It's got a simple band to it. Oh yeah, you have to push the button to get out of all of that. It's a removable band with very interesting design on it. It's IP68, it's well built, and a nice bright screen. Again, it's the Max9. Check it out.